Hi there, my name is Lon VomBaur with Rocktop Construction here in Utah, and I like to address some of the common questions that homeowners have about replacing their roofs. We've already talked in a previous video a little bit about what to expect, but another question is, what's it going to cost? You know, there are some roofers that may be able to say, well, that's about 15 squares, and a square means a 10-foot by 10-foot square, and throw out a ballpark number. That's not the way I like to do it, but there's so many variables that affect cost. And I know anybody in business, they have a hard time ballparking figures. It may be not a safe thing to do. Here's some of the things that can affect cost. One, obviously the size of the roof. Another thing that can impact it is the complexity of the roof. And you also have to remove the shingles that are on there. Sometimes there's more than one layer. That's gonna affect labor, it's gonna affect loads on dumpsters. So there's a number of things that need to be factored in before somebody can give you an estimate. Now, it's an estimate for me, not a quote. Why? There's literally a hidden cost. Once we tear off the old shingles and underlayments, you need to inspect the wood. There might be places where the wood is damaged, the decking, and that needs to be replaced. So I tell my customers, I will show you pictures of where the wood's damaged, and we have a set price per 4x8 sheet. So there might be wood that needs to be replaced where somebody's gonna get rid of a swamp cooler, or switching from turtle vents to ridge vent, or just simple wear and tear and damage from moisture. So all those things will factor in on the price, and you want to be aware of those variables. Again, my name is Lon with Rocktop Construction. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want more information, take a look at our link below, ask us questions, and if this was helpful, give us a thumbs up. Thanks.